Want high-quality 3D prints without blowing your budget? In 2025, the best budget 3D printers deliver precision, speed, and reliability without breaking the bank. Stick around to see which one prints above the rest. Hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment which one is best for you. Okay, let's dive in. Number 1. Sovol SV06 ACE. This one's fast, capable, and surprisingly affordable. Not huge, but there's plenty of room for medium-scale prints without rearranging your whole workshop. Built on Prusa's open-source i3 design, Sovol added smart touches, a high-flow hot tint, a built-in camera for monitoring prints, and full clipper support for speed and precision. It hits top speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, has automatic bed leveling, dual Z-axis motors, vibration reduction, and a direct drive extruder handling up to 300 degrees Celsius. In testing, I printed everything from intricate dragons to detailed jewelry boxes and textured bowls. All came out sharp, clean, and ready to impress. Number 2. Creality Ender 3V3 SE. Easily the best budget FDM printer in 2025. Beginner-friendly, packed with features, and priced at just $199 is painless. Almost fully assembled. We were printing in about 15 minutes. Creality includes a printed manual and online video guides, making filament changes and assembly straightforward. With a max speed of 250 millimeters per second, it's faster than the Anycubic Cobra Neo. Our test prints came out sharp and clean, even detailed pieces like the Dom Sculpt's Shibi Totoro. Compact, yet with a 220 by 220 by 250 millimeter build volume. The V3 SE adds CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling and a Sprite Direct Drive, features usually reserved for premium models, all at a wallet-friendly price. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Good things really do come in small packages. The A1 Mini can produce nearly flawless multicolor models at incredible speeds, up to 500 millimeters per second, keeping pace with its larger siblings thanks to Bambu Lab's input shaping. Despite its size, it's loaded with premium features: automatic bed leveling, a flexible PEI-coated build plate, an easy-to-navigate menu, and an all-metal direct drive hot end that reaches 300 degrees Celsius. Almost fully assembled out of the box, new makers can start color printing immediately. Originally $299, now on sale for $199, it's compact, quiet, versatile, and compatible with up to 4 spools and third-party filaments. Number 4. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. One of the most affordable high-speed printers with clipper enabled. Currently $279, $40 less than our previous fast budget pick, the Sovol SV07. Buy directly from Creality with a $15 extra discount, and it drops to $265. It's an upgraded Ender 3 V3 SE with an open-source platform, Wi-Fi connectivity for PC and mobile control, and a K1-based hot end handling a wide range of filaments. Max printing speeds reach 500 millimeters per second, with acceleration up to 8,000 millimeters per second squared. Our test prints came out mostly clean and smooth, though highly detailed models like Maker's Muse Clearance Castle needed minor tuning. For even faster prints with premium features, the Creality CR10 SE at $399 is worth considering. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Our top pick for first-time resin printers. Mostly assembled, user-friendly, and with an anti-scratch protective film for the screen. Compact, lightweight, yet with a larger build volume than other Photon Mono models. We fit 6 miniatures on the plate at once, perfect for tabletop gaming or small projects. Comes with Anycubic's Photon Workshop V3 slicer, making preparation simple. Priced at $209, currently on sale for $149 or $199 via Amazon. A fantastic entry point for resin beginners. The winner? The Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Fast, precise, and surprisingly feature-packed for its price. Top-notch prints without spending a fortune. This is the budget 3D printer to grab.